This video is going to go over taping for belly support. So I'm going to use RockTape in this video. Kinesiology works equally fine. This is great to help with some of the heaviness, any round ligament pain, low back pain. It's also great if you're having trouble tolerating any of the big belly bands or support belts, or you live in the desert like me and it's hot and it's just a nice alternative. So we're going to start by exposing the belly. So I am currently 27 weeks pregnant with my third one. So my belly button is loud and proud and I need a little extra belly support. We're gonna start by taking the tape. We're gonna find the front of the pubic bone, so the front of the pelvis, go about 2 inches up, and then roughly measure, so the two fronts of the pelvis, the ASIS, from side to side. So we can make like a little smiley face right there. So then you're going to cut the tape. You can do 1 to 2 pieces of tape here. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut 2 so I can show you what 2 looks like, depending on how much support you need. So then with the tape, we want to round the corners. That's just going to help the tape stay on a little better so it doesn't catch as easily. And then we'll do same thing on this side, round our corners. So if we grab our first strip, we want to rip the tape right in the middle. Try not to touch the tape because then it's going to lose some of the stickiness. So again, find the front of that pubic bone, go a couple inches up. You can also just kind of figure out, okay, where's that round point of the belly? Where do I need the most support? So then we're going to grab onto the paper, add a little bit of tension, lay it on, and then we'll just do one side at a time, wrapping around up towards that rib cage, and then just lay it flat. And then we'll do same thing on the other side, trying not to touch the tape, wrapping it around up towards the rib cage, and then lay it flat. Rub it in. That helps activate some of the adhesive so it stays a little longer. If we wanted to add another piece of tape, we can do it above or below depending on where you feel like you need a little more support. So I'm going to add just one right below it. Same thing, we're just going to go kind of right under that belly, pull up towards the rib cage, lay it down flat. Same thing here. Rub it in. So then we're going to do our 2 pieces of tape just coming straight up along the six-pack abs or along that rectus abdominis. So we'll just roughly kind of cut the tape here. I'm going to make 2 pieces real quick. And then we'll do that same thing. We're going to round the edges. The tape can stay on for 2 to 3 days. Some people can leave it on for about a week, but I usually like 2 to 3 days. Then it starts to lose the stickiness. For my skin personally, it's a little more sensitive, so I don't like taking it off and then retaping it several days in a row. I need to give my skin a little break. So we're going to go right above that pubic bone again, and then pull straight up towards the rib cage with this one. So, laying it down, and then pulling straight up towards the rib cage. That one's a little long. Same thing on the other side. Try to lay it down and pull without touching the tape, pulling it straight up towards the rib cage along the six-pack abs. And then again, rub it in, activate that adhesive. It's okay if it's a little lopsided, a little off. Basically, we just want that nice little smiley face, lifting the belly button up. We can do 1 piece of tape or 2 pieces. And then we want the 2 pieces right along the six-pack abs, pulling from the pubic bone up towards the rib cage. If you notice any redness, itching, irritation, go ahead and take the tape off. Let me know if you have any questions.